What's up, guys? So we came here to watch Jackass at Cerritos at Perkins. It's a pretty good theater. So see how it goes. Took out the daily, the Honda. That shit's dirty as fuck. Holy shit. It's really dirty. So we're about to pregame. Before we go in. Oh shit.
Pregame.
We got some Casamigos. So we're about to pregame. Take some shots. Even though they sell alcohol at this theater. That's pretty cool. And they serve food too, like pizza, burgers. And it tastes pretty good. Yo, I'm fucking buzzed. Are you buzzed?
Kind of.
I'm hella buzzed, dude. I'm about to go watch the movie, so I'll rate it after the movie. What you get?
Flatbread?
Flatbread pizza?
Yeah, the pepperoni.
Oh, okay. And we got some smoothie. So like I was saying, look what they got. They got hot dogs. Not hot dog, I mean hot foods. Burgers, drinks, popcorn. You do? Okay, they have hot dogs. We just finished watching Jackass Forever. That shit was pretty funny. And we teleported to eating soup. Yeah. This Thai tea tastes nasty as fuck. That food was 1 out of 10. That food was a 4.
3.
A 3 for you? That shit was, oh my god.
Oh my god.
Anyways, the restaurant is called Red Flames and Cerritos. That shit was no bueno. Me no gusto. Anyways, we're gonna go to this car meet in El Monte and check it out. See how it goes. It's about a 23-minute drive. But it's nasty, but a lot of people go, huh?
Mm-hmm.
That shit's nasty, but a lot of people go. Not gonna lie.
They like it.
They like that nasty food. Alright, we teleported to the car meet. Oh, look at this sick ass, crazy ass Lexus. Sick ass Corvette. It's a white body. Mustang. The snake over here. Ooh, nice Range Rover. Sick R32. Got tires in the back. It's just clean. Still one of my dream cars, the S2000. That's clean. Pretty dope. Yeah, they got a hot dog stand. That's dope. Got some alien hats. We got the Godzillas over here. I want one, guys.
No, I was planning on taking it literally when I first got the car. I was going to go there. And then heard some stories.
Can never go wrong with a E92 M3.
Stop
Right.
lying.
So beautiful. M3s are so nice. Yeah, that's a nice E46. She's clean. Forgot to show you guys the drip check though. Rocking the gammas. Gammas on feet. Yo, we got the cop right there pulling up. About to go down. Uh-oh. Got the cop. I think they're getting kicked out. The cops came, so we're about to go home. It's 10:04. Got work at 5 tomorrow. Fucking tired. So, catch you guys in the next video. Yeah, rev it. I think everybody's leaving.